Hey guys, welcome to the 18th video of this tutorial series. What we are still working on is the box model. Still trying to improve on it. So at this part, we'll be working on image. So presently we want to add image to our work. So how do we do that? Using our HTML. Let's just dive to the code straight to the HTML. I want to add the image just right under this content area. Now how do you do this? You have to open an image tag and specify the location of the image you want to add. At this point, I've gone ahead to add an image for us. So let me just minimize. This is our website folder. I've added one image to it, which is my own image, my picture. So what we need to do right now is call that image from the folder by opening the tag img, give it a class which is equal to, open a quote, just give it class and image, then src, which is the source. The source is equal to, open a double quote. Here is where you specify the image you want to add. So it's google.jpg, I think, but let's just verify to be very sure. It's a JPEG image, as you can see. So what we need to do is just take notes. All other tags we've been opening all this while, we open and close them, but for the image tag you don't really need a closing tag, so you just close this up like this, save, try to preview. There you go, the image is up and running, sound. But I want this image to have some border, some padding around it, and also to reduce the size. So I will need a square image that is a bit smaller. Now what we need to do is go to our CSS. Remember, we gave it a class of image. So CSS, at this point we'll just scroll down. Now I want to take note of something before. After this, you take note of the changes. So I'll just put image in the curly bracket, close it up, come here, say width, say width, yeah, I'll go with the width. Size itself, I'll leave it 400 pixel. Then height, I'll give it 400 pixel because I wanted a square image. So if I save this, for instance, and go back here to preview, there you go, my image is a bit smaller and looking good. Now I want this image to be at the middle. I want it centered. So how do I do that? Then we have to work with the margins itself. At this point, you see margin left, auto, margin right, auto. If you save this, what this margin left and margin right will do is move this image to the middle. When you say margin left, margin right, auto, it will share the space equally, left and right, thereby placing the content at the middle. So if here to here is 200 and this image itself is 10, it's going to give here 45, 45, and keep the image at the middle. So if we refresh right now, nothing is happening. That is because we need something else. Here you see there's a little mistake, I guessed. Margin left, margin right, auto. Okay, let's just take this one out and use margin instead. They all do the same thing. Okay, it's not moving. That is because at this point, if we put img, save it, so now we've set up the code: margin left auto, margin right auto. What both does I've already explained, so let's just see it. So you can see it has moved to the right. So if I decide to eliminate margin left, for instance, to move back to its original position, if I undo it, save, there you have our image at the middle. We still have something else to do, which is our border we need to add around it, and the padding itself. So since it's an image, the padding we are going to add is going to be very small. So it's a padding, let's say 7 pixel. It's a bit large, but we want you to see the visibility of the padding. Then border, so 2 pixel, solid, black. Save that. There you go. Now you have the border right there. So guys, what we need to do right now is just add the little padding here and the margin all around this image, which is the essence of the box model. So let's do that right away at the CSS. Let me just paste some coding I will explain. This is our border color, right? Padding, which we have here 7 pixel, our border width 3 pixel, border style solid, and our background silver. At this point, if you save and refresh, this is the padding itself, having this silver background. The entire background is having a silver, but because of the padding, we are able to see 7 pixels around the entire image. Then this is the border itself, this tiny black here. So in terms of the border itself, that's just it for the image. So you can see it's looking nice and clean. So that's how you can add an image to an HTML element or an HTML design. Thank you, and see you in the next video.